let's see. We've been publishing Watercraft Journal since November of 13, and it was under a different name at the beginning of the year. It was Watercraft Performance at the beginning of that year. We changed the name in October, rebranded the magazine on November 1st of 2013. And I want to say I've had 4. No. Let's see. Oh, yeah. That's 5. I've had 5 attempts at really competing with the Watercraft Journal. Some were fantastic video producers, really fantastic video producers, but they couldn't publish anything worth a damn, and they were totally unreliable. And then others were really good article writers, sporadic video producers, but the content was dry. And so most people just can't run at my pace or at the Watercraft Journal's pace. I outrun them. They can sprint and they'll pull ahead of me for like a month or two, and then I grind them down because I've never missed a day of publishing, ever. I could be a head in a jar hooked up to machines being kept alive, and I'll still publish. I never miss a day. I really don't. And that has been, that's really been the only way that I've really pulled ahead, is consistency. And there are just a lot of guys who mean well, start great look, great design, good community. I mean, they've blown past me, and all of a sudden they fall face first. And why is it? Because they get burned out. And that's how I started this whole thing, was you better freaking love it. You better absolutely be committed. Because there are going to be days where you hate everything, and the only reason why you're keeping it going is because you still remember that one memory or that one experience that made you fall in love with this industry, and that's what's dragging you through. Okay? Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.